Let's fix your iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. The first thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right, toggling airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back off just to disconnect and reconnect. If that doesn't help it, let's head into the settings app of your phone and tap on cellular midway down. From here, if you have an eSIM, you'll be able to see turn this line on. You're going to just toggle that off to disconnect from your eSIM completely. If you have a physical SIM card, remove it, clean it, and put it back in. Now, all we have to do is tap on it and hit basically to turn this line back on. This will reinitiate the connection between your eSIM and your carrier. After you've done that, if it still doesn't work, the last thing I would recommend doing is going to the very bottom and tap on apps at the bottom of your settings. And then we'll scroll down until you find the phone section. So tap on phone here. And now if you scroll down, you can see Wi-Fi calling. I would recommend turning this on and hitting enable. If you have bad signal wherever you are, you can use Wi-Fi to kind of boost that and make the calls.